Hey, you guys, I'm going to show you a half kneeling hip flexor stretch. It's going to help open up your hips so that you can get rid of lower back pain and any kind of like tension here. And then it also helps your glutes work a lot better. So first thing, you just need to go down to one knee. Okay. Fast. One knee, you can put something underneath the knee if you need to. You want to make sure your hip is right over your knee and your hip is in line with your shoulder and your shoulder is in line with your ear. So you have this one straight line all the way down. Your back toe can be tucked under or it can be flat. Whatever feels best on that knee. I like mine tucked. The front foot is going to be flat on the floor the whole time. Your belly is going to be nice and tucked in so that your pelvis can be rotated under you. Pull chest, look forward, breathe in, exhale, and then just lean it forward. Okay, so you'll feel a nice pull right here in the quad, and you're opening that hip. Okay, you can back off, breathe in, exhale, lean into it. You don't want to do this. Okay, that's not really helping you at all. Here, you want to tuck under, and that might be all you need. You might feel that stretch right there, okay? But if you want a little bit extra, you can pull yourself into it. You can even use this leg to kind of pull in. And then keep maintaining that straight line, not breaking it, okay? So tuck, lean, breathe it out. 30 seconds to 1 minute, that's really all you need. And then you're going to switch legs. Tuck. You might feel more on one side than the other. That's pretty normal. Lean into it if you want. Breathe. And then if you need to hold on to something like a stick or a chair or a strap, you can do something like that if you have trouble with balance. All right, so there you go. Half kneeling hip flexor stretch. Try it.